I'm Lyza. Let's go on an adventure through the alphabet, and we'll count animals that start.
I can count from 1 to 10, then I count them all again. Colors bright like rainbow beams, red and blue and yellow dreams. Shapes are fun, just take a look in every toy and every book.
I can count from 1 to 10, then I count them all again. Colors bright like rainbow beams, red and blue and yellow dreams. Shapes are fun, just take a look in every toy and every book.
Apple. B. Ball.
C.
Cat. D. Doll.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
E.
Q, R, S,
Elephant.
T, U, V, W, X,
F.
Y, and Z.
Frog.
Now I know my ABCs.
G.
Next time
Goat.
won't you sing with me?
H. Hen.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
I.
Q, R, S, T,
Igloo.
U, V,
J.
W, X,
Jump.
Y, and Z. Now I know my
K. Kangaroo. L.
Next time won't you sing with
Lion.
me?
Match. N. Nuts. O. Orange.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
P.
H, I, J,
Peach.
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Q.
Y, and Z.
Queen.
Now I know my ABCs.
R.
Next time won't
Rabbit.
you sing with me?
S. Sun. T. Toad.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
U.
M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Umbrella.
T, U, V, W,
V.
X, Y,
Violin.
and Z. Now I know my
W.
ABCs.
Watch.
Next time won't
X.
you sing with me?
Xylophone. Y.
Yellow.
Z. Zebra.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Let's learn and play!
Hi, I'm Lyza. Today we will explore the world of number. And I'm Chip, Liza's best friend. We're so happy you're here today. Come with me as we climb up the stairs and count how many steps do we have. Come on, let's go to the playground and start our adventure. Oh, I love counting. Let's do it. We have balls here. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great.
One, two, three, come jump with me. Let's bounce like frogs, so wild and free.
4, 5, 6, spin around the floor.
Laughing and counting
is where we all go.
That was so much fun! We counted everything around the playground. What will we learn next, Lyza? Let's explore the playground again, but this time, let's talk about colors. Look at all these beautiful flowers. What colors can you see? The colors of the flowers is yellow, blue, red, purple, pink, and white. There are balloons in the sky. What colors are they? I saw green, pink, yellow, blue, and purple. You're so smart, friends. We had so much fun naming colors. Now let's sing together.
Like apples, bright and sweet. Blue like skies where the birds all meet. Green like trees with their leaves so bright. And butterfly ties dancing in the light. Colors here and colors there. Colors, colors everywhere. Shivery colors make me cheer. Let's find colors far and near.
We had so much fun naming colors. Let's go inside the playroom and learn shapes.